The magical melody makers. Once upon a time, in the whimsical town of Harmonia, there lived a group of extraordinary creatures known as the melody makers. These enchanting beings were not your ordinary musicians. They were animals with a unique gift, the power to create magical melodies that brought joy and harmony to the world. Among the melody makers was a lively squirrel named Samba, a mischievous blue jay called Jazz, a melodious nightingale named Sonata, and a gentle bear named Rhythm. Together, they formed the Melody Makers Band. One sunny morning, as the town awoke to the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves, a problem arose. The town's melodies had vanished. The cheerful tunes that once filled the air had mysteriously disappeared, leaving behind a quiet and gloomy atmosphere. Determined to restore the lost melodies, the Melody Makers embarked on an adventure. Samba's tail twirled in excitement, Jazz fluttered around with enthusiasm, Sonata's song echoed through the woods, and Rhythm's steps resounded like a heartbeat. Their quest led them through forests and meadows, across bubbling brooks and soaring mountains, in search of the elusive Harmony Stone, a mystical gem said to hold the key to reviving the town's melodies. On their journey, they encountered challenges: a river that sang in riddles, a grove where the trees whispered harmonies, and a cave where the echoes danced to a forgotten tune. But with their teamwork and unwavering determination, they overcame each obstacle. Finally, deep within the enchanted valley, they discovered the Harmony Stone, nestled atop a pedestal. As the first rays of dawn painted the sky, the stone shimmered, emitting a brilliant light that filled the valley with a symphony of colors. With a magical harmony resonating in their hearts, the melody makers channeled their energy into a melodic chorus. Samba's tail kept rhythm, Jazz's wings fluttered in tune, Sonata's song intertwined with nature's melody, and Rhythm's beats echoed across the valley. Their music soared through the air, weaving through the town and beyond, reaching every corner and lifting the spirits of all who heard it. As the melodies returned, laughter filled the streets, flowers bloomed in harmony, and the town of Harmonia sparkled with joy once more. From that day forward, the melody makers continued to share their magical melodies, spreading happiness and unity wherever they journeyed. And so, the legend of the melody makers lived on, reminding everyone that even in silence, music and harmony could always be found. The end.